We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian dolce vita. Venite con noi.
Right, love.
Yeah, so
Can we get ready? Can we go? Okay.
we're on our way to Aci Castello, and then we're going to go to Aci Trezza, which is in the province of Catania. And the reason why we're going there is because we're meeting our friends and subscribers, Karina and mio amor. We're going to meet them there, we're going to have lunch together, and we're going to explore the area.
We have been there before.
We have.
Filmed before. We're going to go film a bit more. I'm going to do a bit of droning.
Especially the castle. Can't wait to see the castle.
Yeah, the castle from up above is a different aspect. Very nice. Yeah.
Okay, so you got everything ready?
Everything's ready. I'm ready to go.
Let's
do
go.
it. Wait, my glasses. Okay, fine. Take some money.
Aci Castello is a beautiful seaside village about 9 kilometers from Catania. It was developed around the beautiful Norman castle.
Good morning.
We're gonna go visit this castle, this Norman castle. Our friends are going for a coffee because they've been already. So let's go. So we came here a year ago, but they were closed for lunch. Let's hope this time.
It wasn't a year ago.
Was it 2 years ago maybe? So let's hope this time we have more luck.
The castle is perched on a volcanic lava cliff overlooking the Ionian Sea, and on the left of the castle is a harbour with typical Sicilian boats around it.
No.
As soon as you enter the garden walls, you see a beautiful garden with cactus and different plants. Inside the castle, you will see some beautiful paintings, which are all about, obviously, Aci Castello and Aci Trezza.
Perciò questo è l'ultimo pezzo che l'hanno lasciato così.
Questo è il pozzo dei desideri.
Dov'è? Kiss me, please.
Esprimete un desiderio, un bacio.
Troppo manifesto.
Oppure andare verso Taormina ci sono le spiagge con le petruzze, quelle piccolissime. Massimo mi chiama.
Massimo, signor Massimo, i due Massimi.
We met Mr. Massimo, who was so knowledgeable and so passionate about this castle, and we were so lucky that he dedicated at least half an hour just to us, and we were really honored to meet him.
Ah! So basically these holes that we see, it's like wells, they're now for wishing, like wishing wells, but they used to be wells where you'd look down and there were prisoners in them.
The castle was built in 1076 and we're not sure about its origin, but it was subjected to the lordship of Ruggero di Lauria and then to Giovanni di Sicilia and finally to Alagona. Now it is a civic museum. The gentleman Massimo was telling us that it was also a prison at one time, and a lot of the prisoners would write their names, their surnames and the date that they were imprisoned, and we were just reading on the walls the different names and the different years that they were imprisoned, which was quite interesting actually.
Questa è una veduta al mare,
Sì,
come
allora
si
non
vede.
esisteva niente qui, le case non c'erano, c'era solo il mare e la terra.
Wow.
Era un sogno. La cultura nasce qui, nel Mediterraneo.
Sì,
La cultura nasce qui. Poi questo sono
Just come out here to this beautiful terrace, and I just think the people who originally lived here, obviously the king and the queen, what a view they had every morning. Look at this, stunning.
Questi sono dei calci di cranio dell'evoluzione della specie. Come eravamo e come siamo. Sì, questo è il vaso pellico che abbiamo qui.
We went further up onto a big terrace overlooking the sea and the village and the hamlet. It was absolutely breathtaking. Apparently here people rent the area to have a wedding or a party, whatever they want, and it's absolutely beautiful. We went further up into another part of the castle and right up to the top of the end of the castle.
Questa è la parte più alta, no?
Dove si guarda se il vento, che cosa che vento di sopra si vuole?
Qua di là sì.
Vento, sostegno. Ah, la cipressa. No, è un pino. Pino marino.
Bellissimo.
You wanna jump?
Would be a fantastic place to jump from, but no, not today.
So this is the highest point of the castle. It's been planted here and it's survived all the weather conditions that there have been here. And it's still blooming, it's still green. Who knows how many years this tree has got.
Pit stop coffee, very nice.
Yes, it's
With our
perfect
friends
spot here.
Yes. Okay, we had a lovely coffee. Well, Massi and I had a crema di caffè, and our friends had had the coffee before because they were waiting for us while we went to visit the castle. Just talk so much, it's wonderful. We really connect with these people. So now we are making our way towards Aci Trezza, where you will see the fariglioni, which are the little mountains of lava that have deposited in the sea, and there's so much myth about that, which I will tell you afterwards. Okay, so now we're going to take you to Aci Trezza, and then we're probably going to have lunch somewhere there.
Bite to eat.
It is a 7-minute drive from Aci Castello to Aci Trezza, or a 23-minute walk. Aci Trezza is a hamlet of Aci Castello and the population is only 5,000. The village has a long history of maritime activity and it is a popular spot for Italian vacationers in the summer.
wear that back with the Swedish and we're going to walk around and then stop and have a bite to eat. Beautiful day, we cannot complain after days and days of rain and flooding, especially in this area. It all looks like it's dried up beautifully and the sun has really is drying everything up. Look at this. Beautiful, I'm in the middle of them.
Aci Trezza has breathtaking landscapes and is famous for its sea stacks, I faraglioni, which you see in front of the village. What makes them interesting is the legend about it, which involves Ulysses on his journey home from the Trojan War. He stops on the islands of Cyclops, where he is confronted by the man-eating giant Polyphemus. Now, to be able to escape him, he offers him wine and then blinds his only eye. Obviously, Polyphemus, who is now really angry, begins to throw large boulders against Ulysses' ships as they begin to sail away, this giving rise to the faraglioni that you see today.
Okay, we have our friends here, lovely Swedish couple. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Yes,
My name is Karina.
and my name is Miomir, and we come from Sweden, and we met this lovely couple, Mia and Masi, who are exploring. We are exploring together different parts here of Aci coast.
Beautiful. Tell me something. Why do you come to Sicily? Because you often come to Sicily, don't you?
Yes.
What
Yeah.
attracts you to this island?
It's for me, it's the climate, but it's also about meeting very nice people. It's very friendly. It's easygoing
Yeah.
in any way. So
And we love the architecture
Yeah.
here. Everywhere you step,
yes, a lot to explore, a lot to explore,
a lot to explore.
and a lot to learn. I would
Exactly,
say.
from the history.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's our fourth or fifth time in Sicily in the last 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
Before that, I was a little bit reluctant to go to Sicily because of, on the picture, it doesn't seem like there are some good beaches or so on, and very little forests and so on, like trees. So I was a little bit reluctant, but when we started, after this, we are sold.
Yeah.
We are
Yeah.
clear off now.
Fantastic. And where would you say people should start from, maybe? You know, like what place, where would be a good base, and then go and visit places? Or do you prefer traveling around? What's the best for you?
I think explore different parts, but maybe don't take, like we met some people here, a couple of Swedish guys who tried to do Sicily in 1 week, started in
Yeah.
Palermo and going around. And I will not recommend it because, you see only the touristic spots
Yeah.
and you missed all the others. So start, for example, in Palermo, explore the surroundings, Cefalo, Trapani, Tumasala, or next time go to Catania and explore this region and take like 10 days, 2 weeks to have time to see
Yeah.
everything. This time
Fantastic.
the favorite was Sicily.
Oh
Yeah.
yes.
Yes,
Oh,
where
so
we
tell us a little bit about Sicily, because we
Well-
are probably thinking of going there next time and filming.
Yeah.
You should. We stopped last time just over 1 day. We didn't get any impression, but now we stayed 5 days in Sicily, and it was wonderful in the center, just opposite of the mayor's office where Commissario Montalbano had his,
Wonderful.
of course. And
It's a small town, but you have everything just around you. You have 50 minutes to the beach, and you have we are very close to Ragusa,
to Modica,
Modica.
Yeah.
if you want. But we found it even better than Modica and Ragusa.
Yeah.
And also it's very clean. I mean, it was exemplary clean, the small
Wonderful.
city.
Yeah, which can be a problem in Sicily, we have to be honest. There
Yes,
is a
it
lot
has.
of, it can be a bit dirty, there's a bit of rubbish lying around, we're not going to lie.
No.
But
The two things that has to improve
yes,
are the rubbish,
Rubbish.
everywhere and the maintenance of the streets
yes,
and the roads.
we were
So,
saying that, weren't we, earlier?
so these two things, but
But you choose
Yes,
what to focus on. I
exactly.
think. So the first hour or the first day you will see the rubbish. After 2 days
You get
you
used
don't
to it.
notice it anymore.
You get used to it, unfortunately. Okay, tell us a little bit about your favorite food from Sicily. And then we'll wrap it up and go for a walk.
And go and eat.
And go and eat, yeah, talking of
and
food.
going to eat for me fish. The fish, vad heter skaldjur på engelska?
Seafood.
Seafood, yeah, fresh seafood.
And especially here, I think it's near to the sea.
Yeah.
It's fresh, really, really fresh.
Really good.
Good.
Okay.
And I
Fantastic.
eat everything, but
The ricotta.
well, of
A ricotta.
course, and every produce, dairy products I love.
Yeah.
Milk,
Goat milk.
goat
ricotta.
milk
milk,
or
sheep
sheep
milk.
milk, and then ricotta from different, and then the cheeses. So and
You're in
then
the right place.
Coca-Cola,
Oh, yeah.
Gelato,
Yeah.
Capocollo.
capocollo.
Yeah.
Here's Massi fixing up his drone.
He's trying to
Okay.
get the drone. Okay.
Thank you so much for this
Thank
little
you,
interview.
Mia. Every restaurant, but Sunday afternoon. Sunday, yeah. So what do you want? Same as last time. Yes, look at the view. And also, I think the food is quite good. It's quite good.
It's fantastic. Yours is risotto and a norma. Very nice. Buon appetito, guys.
Enjoy. Good. We were satisfied. And price-wise, it's okay.
You don't like it? Did you try it before?
Yes, we were in Japan.
Uh-huh.
A long time ago. But
You didn't like it?
We started. Okay.
Ciao ragazzi.
Ciao,
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Lacare Island is the biggest Cyclops Island and is formed by an underwater volcanic eruption which happened plus minus 500,000 years ago. It is now a natural reserve and full of different bird species and has a rare redneck lizard which lives exclusively on this island. You can catch a boat to the island for only €3 per person.
They have eventually started laying eggs. It's been a while now, but yeah, she brought us 5 eggs this morning. Well,
5, they
it's,
warm.
it's probably a few days now.
Fantastic. This is what I love about having chickens, hey?
Yeah, eventually she started laying eggs. So, yeah,
Amazing.
happy days.
Happy egg days. Great.
There you go.
Yep, today is a DIY day and we are tackling the kitchen, we are painting, and as we're painting we're cleaning and we're trying to put everything back, so it's a bit of a mess at the moment, but we are getting there. Usually people say that spring and summer colors are bright and cheerful. Well, here in Sicily, even winter colors are beautiful, bright, and they warm up our days. We have finished painting the kitchen. I always think things happen for a reason. We probably wouldn't have painted our kitchen if it wasn't for our coffee pot explosion. So now I am glad it happened, as I have clean white walls and have reorganized and decluttered some things. How often do you declutter? Thanks again for following and for leaving your comments. We really do appreciate them. See you next week with a brand new one. Alla prossima!